Welcome, today in front of me HardReset, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should launch the Play Store application, and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application installing on your device. Now just open the app. Here click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, click OK, again OK. Now just go back and tap here on the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And as you can see, we got here the message that we finished, and now we'll check. For example, we'll go to the message application, and here as you can see, we got the our new keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all the emojis. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.